In this video we are going to see chapter 6 class 5 maths. Be my multiple, I will be your factor. The full lesson we are going to see in this video. Question number 1. The hungry cat is trying to catch Kunjan the mouse. Kunjan is now on the 14th step and it can jump 2 steps at a time. The cat is on the 3rd step. You can see the picture. The cat is in the 3rd step. Now C can jump 3 steps at a time. If the mouse reached 28, it can hide in the hole. Find out whether the mouse can get away safely. Now let us see. The cat is jumping from the step number 3. The steps on which the mouse jump, the steps on the mouse jump 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. The steps on which the cat jumps from 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 21, 18, 21, 24 and 27. Now the steps on which both cat and mouse jump, you can find 18 and 24. These two steps both will jump together. Yes, the mouse can get away. Can the mouse can get away? Yes, the mouse can get away. Find out if the cat starts from 5th step. Suppose it starts from 5th step. The cat starts from 5th step, jumps 5 steps at a time, and the mouse starts from 8th step. The mouse starts from 8th steps and jumps 4 steps. It jumps 4 steps. It jumps 5 steps at a time, 4 and 5 times. Can the mouse get away? That is the question. Cat starts from 5th step and jumps 5 steps at a time. So 10, 15, 20, 25, it jumps like that. Multiples of 5 it will jump. If the mouse starts from 8th step and jumps 4 steps, then the multiples of 4 you have to write. The mouse will get jump following steps: 12, 16, 20, 24, etc., etc. So the cat will easily be able to catch the mouse at the step 20. This time the mouse cannot get away. We can see that both of them reach the step 20 after 4 jumps. Hence the mouse cannot get away. Who is Minto waiting for? Here you can find Minto cat is waiting for somebody. Do you know for whom he is waiting? There is a trick to find out the answer. Mark with a red dot all the numbers which can be divisible by 2 or divided by 2. So red mark. You have to put red mark in the table all the numbers which are divisible by 2. Mark yellow dot on the numbers which can be divided by 3. That means multiples of 3. How to put? Yellow dot. Blue dot on the numbers which can be divided by 4. So which are the boxes which have dots of all the 3 colors? What are the letters on top of these boxes? Write those letters in order to get the answer. In this box you have to write the answer. Now we are going to keep the dots. What color you have to keep? Red color for number which is divisible by 2. So multiples of 2 you can keep red color. 2 red color, 4 red color, 6 red color, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, like that you have to keep the red color. Then the number which is divided by 3 you have to keep yellow color. So 3, 6 yellow, 9 yellow, 12 yellow, 15 yellow, 18 yellow, 21 yellow, like that you have to keep the yellow dots. Then which are the boxes which have dots of all the 3 colors? So blue color, what are the boxes you have to keep the blue color? A blue dot on the number which can be divisible by 4. A number divisible by 4, blue color. So 4, 8 and 12, 16, 20, 24, this you have to keep blue color. So after completing all the colors in the grid, you can write the answer. Now let us see the answer 1 and 2. First answer is 1 and 2. Boxes 12, 24, 36, 48 and 60 have dots of all the 3 colors. Now letters on top of these boxes are M, O, U, S, E. So letters in order are written as E, M, O, S and U. So you can write the letters on the given box. Now one small game let us play. Meow game, meow. To play this game, everyone stands in a circle as given in the picture. You have to stand in a circle. One player calls out 1. The next player say 2 and so on. A player who has to call out to 3, a number which can be divided by 3, has to say meow. He should not say the number 3. He should not say the number 6. He should not say the number 9. Instead of that, he has to say meow. One who forgets to say meow is out of the game. How nicely we can play this game. The last player left in is the winner. Which number did you replace with meows? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. These numbers we can replace with meow. The number replaced by word meow are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30 and so on. We say these numbers are the multiples of 3. Play the game by changing the number 4. Now which numbers did you replace them with meow? 4. These numbers are multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16. Whoever gets this number, they have to say meow. Like that you can play the game at home very nicely. You can play. In this game we understand the multiples of 3, multiples of 4, multiples of 5, so on. Now another game is given, dice game. To play this one we need dice. Have you seen the dice? Yes, the dice is having 6 faces. What you have to do to play the game? Throw 2 dice together. Now I have taken 2 dice. Play together. You have to throw 2 dice at a time. What are the numbers turn up on the faces? Here you see 3, here 2. So what number you are getting? 32. Now if it is a multiple of any of the numbers written next to the circle, you can write it in that circle. Now you see 32, 3 in this dice, 2 in the second dice. So we are getting the number 32. If it is multiple of any of the number, is it multiple of 6? Multiple of 6, 32 is coming? No. So we cannot write the number. You can write it in the circle if it is multiples of the given number 6. Whether it is multiple of 4? Yes. Multiple of 4, 32 is coming. So the 32 you can write it in this box. 32. So like that you can complete the game. The one who can write more numbers in 10 rounds is the winner. So again you have to play. He has to throw the dice. So whatever number comes at the top he has to take, whether the number is multiples of 6 or 4 or 5 and 7 you have to see. If it is multiples of 7, you have to write it in the circle 7. If it is multiples of 5, you have to write it in the circle 5. Like that you can play the game. Very nice game you can play. For that we need 2 dice. Now common multiples. In this lesson we are going to see common multiples. Think of a number. If it is multiples of 3, write it in the red circle. If it is multiple of 5, write it in the blue circle. So 2 circles are given. Multiples of 3 you have to write in red circle. So what are the multiples of 3? Can you say? 6, 9, 12, then 15. When comes 15, I am writing inside that. Why? Because multiples of 5 when you write 10, then 15 will come. So the 15 is common for 3 and 5. Multiples of 3 and 5 are written as in this box. This answer is for reference only. Students may write any numbers of their choice and find the answer. So multiples of 3 you have to write, multiples of 5 you have to write. If any number is common between 3 and 5, you should write in the middle box, in the middle circle. Here 15 is common, that is actually called common multiples. That we can say least common multiples. Now some numbers are multiples of 3 and 5, so we can say that they are common to both 3 and 5. Think, if you write the number multiples common to 3 and 5 in the purple part, then will they still be in both red and blue? Yes, of course they are. Yes, the common multiples of 3 and 5 in the purple part will still be in the red and blue circle also. So 15. 15 is the smallest common multiple. Here you will get to 15. So common multiples of 2 and 7 are 14, 28, 42, 56 and so on. So once you get the first number, common multiples, just double it 2 times, then 3 times, then 4 times, you will get the common multiples. You can write many number of common multiples, infinite number of common multiples for 2 numbers. Repeat the game by putting 4, 6 and 5. Previously we have taken 2 numbers, now 3 circles, 3 numbers. Circle red color, 4, multiples of 4 you have to write, 6 you have to write multiple of 6, 5 you have to write multiple of 5 in the blue color box. If anything is common, suppose 4 and 5, if any number is common, you have to write in this color. If any number is common between 4 and 6, you have to write in this common part. If anything is common, yellow and blue, you have to write. If a number is common for all the 3, 4, 6 and 5, then you have to write in the middle. Now you can see multiples of 4 I have written. Multiples of 4 you write 8, 16, then 24. So 24 is common, so I have written here, because multiples of 6 also it is coming. So then 36, here it is multiple of 4 also coming, multiple of 6 also coming. So whatever comes in the common, that you have to write it right here. 12 is also multiples of 12, it comes here. Now all the numbers, now you see multiples of 5 I have written here, but whereas in the 20 I have written here, because it is common for 4 and 5. Multiples of 4 also 20 is coming, multiples of 4 80, 40 is coming, multiples of 5 also 40 is coming. Whatever number common, that you have to write in this common area. Here multiples of 6 you write. If anything is common between 5 and 6, you should write here. Here 30 and 60 is common, so 30 and 60 can be written here. So all together this 4, 6 and 5, whatever number is common for all the 3, that is 60. So the smallest common multiples of 4, 5 and 6 is 60. So 60 is the answer, the smallest common multiples. Now tamarind seeds. Tamarind seeds means it is imli seed. So Sunita took some tamarind seeds. She made group of 5 with them and found that one seed was left. What she was doing? She was arranging in group 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She was arranging like that. When she is arranging in group, one tamarind seed was left, not having any group. So she tried making group of 6. So 6 she tried again. She made the tamarind seed into 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again she made 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then when she arranged in 6 groups of 4, each time one seed was left. Here also she got one seed without a group. On making 4, 5 and 6, one seed is left behind each time. So find the smallest number of seeds that Sunitha had. So how many seeds she had? In this sum, we have to find the LCM of 4, 5 and 6, because when she was arranging in 4, group of 4 in each group, she left one seed. When she was arranging 5 in each group, one seed was left. When she was arranging 6, one seed was left. So you should find the LCM of 4, 5 and 6. So 4, 5 and 6 already we have seen 60 in the previous. We have seen LCM. Adding 1 to it, we will get 61. So when 61 seeds she had, if she is arranging 4, one seed will be left. If she is arranging 5, one seed will be left. When she is arranging in 6, one seed will be left. So total number of seeds she had is 61 seeds. Totally 61 seeds. You can play this game by collecting number of what we can say, number of small stones, you can say marbles you can use instead of tamarind. So you can play with your friends. Amini is arranged 12 tamarind seeds in the form of different rectangle. Try to make more rectangles like these tamarind seeds. How many different ways he can make? 12 tamarind seeds he got. We have rectangle of size 12 into 1, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12. Thus 3 rectangles can be made using 12 seeds. Only 3 rectangles. So here what we are seeing, 12 can be written as 12 ones are 12. 12 can be written as 4 3s are 12. 4 into 3. The same 12 can be written as 6 2s are 12. So how many different rectangles you will get? Only 3 rectangles possible. That's why 3 rectangles can be made using 12 seeds. If there are 15 tamarinds, so how many rectangles can she make? So 15. 15 can be written as 1 into 15. 15 can be written as 1 into 15, 15. Or we can say 15 can be written as 5 3s are 15. 5 into 3. Now you see, so 15 seeds can be arranged in such a way that 15 ones are 15 or 5 3s are 15. So in these two way, she can arrange the 15 seeds. 15 tamarind seeds in rectangular form. It is rectangular only. Like that he can arrange the seeds. Coloring the grid. We are going to give the color. In the grid here, a rectangle made of 20 boxes. Here how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 20. So 20. Here also it is 20. Color a rectangle made of 20 boxes in some other way. What is here 20, here 20, 20, 20s are 400. I think 400 boxes are there. We will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 into 20 boxes are there. So 400 boxes are there. She made a rectangle. Rectangle with how many boxes? 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20 boxes are there. So 20 small boxes, he made a rectangle. Now question is, what is the length and width of the rectangle you colored? What is the length of the rectangle? Here you can find it 10. The length of the rectangle is 10. The width of the rectangle is 2. 1, 2. 2 boxes are there, 2. So in how many ways can she color a rectangle? 20 boxes. Color them in the grid and write the length and width of each rectangle. Let us see the answer. Now you see, first rectangle, length of the rectangle is 10. 10 boxes are there, so you can write that this is the length. So 10 boxes are there, that is the length of the rectangle. The rectangle made of 20 boxes in different ways are shown. 5 into 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5, the length is 5, the width is 4. 5 fours are 20. Then we can make the rectangle 10 into 2. 10 here 2. 10 into 2 we can make 20 ones are 20. So here you can find 20. The length is 20. The width is 1. So 20 ones are 20. We can make a rectangle. Now, so here you can see the rectangle 10 into 2. 10, length is 10, width is 2. 10 twos are 20. This can be done in 3 ways only. 10 twos are 20 ones are 5 fours are. So we can color the rectangles using 20 boxes in different ways. Now another one small game, bangles. We can play this game using bangles. There are 18 bangles on the rod. Meena is trying to group them. How she is going to group? Put them in group 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 without any bangle being left. So she is arranging in group. How she is arranging group? Group in 2 bangles she is keeping. Then she is keeping 3 bangles. 1, 2, 3, one group. Then she is keeping 6 bangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bangles, one group. Like this she is making in group. 18 bangles in one group, like that. How many groups will she have if she makes group of 1 bangle? So group of 1 bangle, if she is making with the 18, so 18 groups she can make. Now 18 groups she can make. If she makes 1 group, she will get 18 groups. Different groups that can be made with a different number of bangles are given below. For example, 18 bangles, 18 group. 18 bangles, 18 groups she can make. 24 bangles, 1, 2, she can make 3, she can make 8, 6, like that she can make. For 5 bangles, number of bangles is 5, she can make 1, 2, one group of 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 she can keep, or 5 together one group. If suppose 9 bangles are there, number of bangles is 9, she can make 3 groups. If she is having 7, number of bangles is 7, she can make 2 group. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 7, she can make another group. She can make all together 7. So if it is 2, she can make 1, 1, 1 and 2, 2 one group. 10 means 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 group 10 and 2, 5 twos are 10. So 10 ones are 10. Like that she can. Suppose only 1 tamarind seed is there, or only 1 bangle is there, only 1 group is possible. 20 means how many groups she can? 1 group she can make. 2 bangles in 1 group, 4 bangles in 1 group, 5 bangles in 1 group, 10 bangles in 1 group. Then if she is arranging 10 bangles in 1 group, she will get 2 groups. 20 bangles in 1 group means she will get only 1 group. Like that we can arrange the bangles in the rod. Now fill the chart, complete the multiplication chart given below. One chart is given, it is the grid, multiplication grid. We can say 1 to 12. Here also 1 to 12. So 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, like that you can complete this table. Here some boxes are colored, green color it is given 12, here also 12, 12, 12, here also 12, here also 12. Now look at the grid boxes in the chart. This we can 12 multiplying different numbers. 4 3s are 12. You can find here 3, here 3, here 4. 4 3s are 12, 3 4s are 12. So 3 4s are 12. Again 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 6 2s are 12. Again 12 ones are 12. So we can say that 12 is equal to 4 3s are. So 12 is the multiple of 4 and 3. 12 is also multiple of 6 and 2, and 12 is also multiple of 12 and 1. We say 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are factors of 12. So what are the factors of 12? 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 6 is a factor, and 12 is a factor. If you observe the number 12, 1 is factor for all the number. The number itself is a factor. 12. 12 is a factor. A number itself is a factor, and other than that 2 is a factor for this 12, because the 2 is divisible. We can divide 12 by 1, we can divide 12 by 2, we can divide 12 by 3, we can divide 12 by 6, we can divide 12 by 12. So factor is nothing, a number which is divisible exactly by the other number, leaving remainder 0. There should not be any remainder. That is very important. We say that 1, 2, 3 are the factors of 12. What are the factors of 10? What are the factors of 10? We can say 1 is a factor because we can divide it, 10 by 1. 2 is a factor, 2 5s are 10. So 5 is a factor and 10 is a factor. You can see 1 and the number itself is a factor for all the numbers. Now, what are the factors of 36? When you write 36, 1 is a factor. We can divide 36 by 2. 2 is a factor. 3 is a factor. Then 6 is a factor. 6 6 are 36. 9. 4s are 9. 4s are 36. 9 is a factor. 4 is a factor. And 36 is also a factor. So, find out the numbers which is in the multiplication chart we can fill up. Find out all the factors of 36 from the chart given. Now, let us see the answer. Now, you can find all the factors. Factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Factors of 36 you see 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. These are the factors of 36. Multiplication chart is as shown. The biggest number for which we can find factors from the chart is 144. That is the biggest number you can find in this chart. 12 12s are 144. For numbers larger than 144, we will reduce the number by division method and then find the factors. So factors of 36, here example is given. 2 18s are 36, 3 12s are 36, 4 9s are 36, 1 16s are 36, 1 36 are 36, 6 6 are 36. All 2 16s, 2 18s are 36, 3 12s are 36. So 36 factors of 36. You can find many factors for 36. 1 2 3 4 6 9 12 18 and 36. Now write the factors of 25 in the red circle. The red circle factors of 25 you have to write 35 in the blue circle. Which are the factors you have written in the common part? Here if any number is common you have to write it here. So multiples of factors of 25, when you write 1 is a factor, 5 is a factor, 25. So 1 5 is common for factors of 35 also. When you write factors of 35, 7 5 1 35. So 5 and 1 is common. 1 and 5 are written in the purple part, which are common factors of 25 and 35. This is called common factor, CF, common factors. Now 40 is written. Write the factors of 40 in the red circle and 60 in the blue circle. Factors of 40 you have to write here, and for factors of 60 you have to write here. If anything is common, that you have to write it in the middle circle. That is here common. You see multiples of 40 when you write 1 2 4 5 10 28 40. Multiples of 60, factors of 60 when you write 1 2 4 5 20 10 3 6 12 15 30 60. Whatever number comes in the common, that you have to write in the middle. Look at the now in this we are going to see about the factor tree. How now can you make another tree like this? Yes, factor tree can be completed as follows. For example, 18 can be written as 9 2s are 18. Then 9 can be written as 3 3s are 9. Similarly 18, 6 3s are 18. We can make 6 3s are also 18. 6 further can be made into 2 3s are 6. So here, but this 3 we cannot write because 3 1s are 3. That is not necessary. So you can maximum this tree will grow up to prime numbers only. You have to extend the tree up to prime numbers to end with the prime numbers. That is very important. You see 2 3 4 3, these are the prime numbers, you know. Now, in how many way you can draw a factor tree for the number 24? For 24, how many ways? 8 3s are 24. 8 can be written as 4 2s are. 4 can be written as 2 2s are. So this is one way. Again 24 can be written as 12 2s are 24. 12 can be written as 2 6 are 12. 6 can be written as 3 2s are. So you can extend the tree like this. Now 24 can be written 6 4s are also 24. 6 can be written as 3 2s are 6. Here 2 2s are 4. Like that you can write 3 different ways of the factor tree of 24. Here word problem. There is a garden, Anu's house. Anu's house, there is a garden. In the middle of the garden there is a path, way. Path means nothing, way. They decided to tile the path using tiles length 2 feet, 3 feet, 5 feet. 3 different length of the tiles they had. The mason tiled the first row with 2 feet tiles, the second row with 3 feet, and the third row with 5 feet tiles. 2 feet tiles first row, second row 3 feet, and 5 feet for tiles in the third row. The mason has not cut any tiles. He does not want to waste it. Then what is the shortest length of the path? What is the length of the path they are asking? This path they want how the mason made the path with the tiles. Here the smallest common multiples you have to find 2, 3, 5 because 2 feet, 3 feet, 5 feet only. So you have to find the multiples of 2 you have to write. Multiples of 3 you have to write. Multiples of 5 you have to write. Which one is common in between multiples of 2, 3 and 5? If you see here 30 is common into 30 multiples of 3 also. In multiples of 5 also 30. So the smallest common multiple is 30. So the length of the path should be 30. The length of the path should be 30 meter, 30 feet. You can see here it is coming meter, so meter, or we can write feet. Manoj has made a new house. He wants to lay tiles on the floor. The size of the room is 9 feet into 12 feet. In the market there are 3 kinds of square tiles: 1 feet, 2 into 2 feet, 3 into 3 feet. Which size of the tile should be by his room so that he can lay without wasting, without cutting the tiles? Size of the tile should be a factor of 9 and 12 because the length and the width of the room is 9 and 12. So it should be a factor of 9 and 12. As 2 is not a factor of 9, so which is the width of the room, but 1 and 3 are factors of 9 and 12. So he can buy the size of the tiles 1 feet and 3 feet size tiles he can buy for his room. Rani, Kita, Nazima live near each other. The distance from their houses to the road is 90 feet. Houses, here is the road. Here is the road. Their house is 90 feet. All their houses are 90 feet distance. They decided to tile the path to the road. They want to tile the path to the road and they all bought tiles of different size, design and length. Rani bought the shortest tile. Kita bought the middle size. Nazima bought the longest one. If they could tile the path without cutting any of the tiles, what is the size of the tile each has bought? Suggest 3 different way. Now let us see the answer. Length of the path, all the length of the path of their houses is 90 feet only. It is 90 feet only. All their houses are 90 feet. Now 90, 1 into 90, 90. Factors of 90s are 1 90s are 90, 2 45s are 90, 3 30s are 90, 5 18s are 90, 6 15s are 90, 9 into 10, 9 10s are 90. Hence the possible tiles can be 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4, 6 into 6, etc. Since Rani bought the shortest tile, Keita bought the middle sized one and Nasima bought the longest sail. Different possible size can be selected as follows. Rani tiles 1 foot into 1 foot. Keita takes the size of 2 feet and 2 feet because she wanted to tile it middle size. Nasima takes the size of 3 into 3 feet. Rani takes tiles of 2 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet, 3 feet, 5 feet into 5 feet. C. Rani takes tiles of size 3 feet, 3 feet. Keita takes size of 5 feet and 5 feet. Nasima takes tiles of 6 feet and 6 feet. These are the possibilities. Thank you.